Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our assembly. This morning, we're going to be taking you back to more than 1,500 years ago.
Hold on a second. Parents, please do not take any pictures or videos during this assembly. Mr. Harmon is recording it for your viewing pleasure.
We are going to be telling you the life story of a very important person. His name was, well, let's see if you can work that one out for yourselves. There once was a young Roman boy who lived in a lovely villa, and because his father was a very rich landowner, he could have anything he desired. Money, 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 ooh, I'm so rich.
But this luxurious lifestyle would not last forever. One day, when this young Roman boy was 16 years old, vicious pirates from across the sea attacked his village. They stole anything they could carry and took the poor boy from his family and made him their slave.
The birds sailed across the sea back to their homeland.
As soon as they arrived, the boy was immediately put to work.
He was forced to be a shepherd high up on a cold and damp mountain.
He was all alone, afraid and longed for his family back home.
This was to be his fate for the next 6 long years.
Until one day, he had a special dream.
He was told to leave the mountain at once and head to the coast. He was told that when he got there, he would find a boat that would take him back to his home country.
But I'm scared. I'm worried that my captors will catch me and make my life even more miserable than it already is.
Do not fear. God will protect you. Now go. There is little time to waste.
Well, after that ordeal, you'd think that the hero of this story would put his feet up and enjoy some long overdue family time, right? Wrong. Before long, he was back into a boat and sailing all the way to France.
He had decided
That he wanted to serve God.
He went to university and studied very hard.
Eventually, after years of hard work and dedication, he became a bishop.
And before long,
He had another vision.
Dear Bishop, please help us.
I am listening. It is we, the ones from the land where you were shepherds. The ones that took me from my home and made me their slave? Yes, that's right. God wants you to teach us about Him. He wants you to help us bend our wicked ways so that we can be good people. Do you think He wanted to help these people? Turn to your shoulder partner and ask, what would you do? Thumbs up for helping the pirate, thumbs down for not helping them. I will do as you say. I'll go immediately to help you. I'll teach you about God and how to live good and noble lives. When he got there, he worked hard to win the trust of the tribal chiefs. His hard work paid off. He eventually persuaded the people to follow God and live a good life.
And that's not all. He established churches, monasteries, and schools.
He cleverly used the local plant to help teach the native people of how there were three gods in one.
It is even said that he kicked all the snakes out of that land.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
He died peacefully in his newly home on 17th March 461.
Can you guess who the special man was? That's right, it was St. Patrick! So, how long have you been listening? We will soon find out. Fingers at the ready. It's time for your 2023 St. Patrick's Day Kahoots. Teachers, please log in using your class's name. Parents, feel free to join in too.
We would now like to conclude our assembly by reciting traditional Irish blessing.